In this video today, I want to show you how to monetize your YouTube channel and start getting paid as soon as you start uploading your first video. So if you want to know how to monetize your YouTube videos without having your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, make sure you watch this entire video because you can start making some really good money from the get-go. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, it's Alan here again from the Smart Video Tactics channel, where I teach you 3 times a week how to grow your YouTube channel, how to make some money on YouTube, and also have the best impact. So if this is why you've come to this video, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and tick that bell identification icon so that we can grow together and that you don't miss out on any of the good stuff. With that being said, let me show you a strategy that you can use to monetize your YouTube videos so that you can start getting paid as soon as you start posting your content. So what I want to show you today is I'm going to show you a couple of platforms that you can go to get awesome products to promote irrespective of what niche you're in. Just before we continue with this strategy, make sure you get down the bottom and comment, please review my YouTube channel, because as you guys know, I review channels once a month and I'm looking to do it next week. So make sure you go down the bottom and comment, please review my YouTube channel, and I'll be picking the winner over the weekend. And guys, if you're enjoying this content, make sure that you go and smash that like button. I'll appreciate it. So will the YouTube algorithm. Let's keep going. So if you come over to a site called Maxbounty.com, this is a site where you can go to get CPA affiliate marketing offers, which is cost per acquisition. Now, the best part about this site is that you can do this and you do not need to make any sales. This is why I use this, and I've used it for a very long time, especially when starting out a brand new YouTube channel, because you can monetize your YouTube videos and you don't need to get any sales. Because what happens with a platform like this is they pay people to sign up to offers and they don't need to buy anything. They can sign up for 30-day trials to test things, and you can make money utilizing this site. And the best part is you can do this in any niche, and Maxbounty is a worldwide platform. But you do need to apply for it. I'm going to talk about that in a second. But before I do that, if you do apply to Maxbounty and you do get rejected, you can always go to a site called afpaying.com. Now, this is another site where you can find a whole range of different CPA type sites that you can use when you're looking to monetize your YouTube videos. So when you scroll down here, once you sign up, there are a whole heap of different offers and different sites that you can sign up to. And the ones that you want to look at are the ones in the high 4.8 rating. So 4.85, 4.9, 4.95. And if you scroll down, you'll find a lot of these. I know this one over here is pretty good. OG Ads, it's called. It's not a bad one as well. And anything over the 4.9, Lemonades is also another good one. So you'd come over here and have a look. And you'd only do this if you had any issues signing up to Maxbounty. But I had no issues signing up to Maxbounty after I told them I had a YouTube channel and I was planning on using that to monetize my YouTube videos using their products, and they allowed me to get on the platform. So what you want to do is you just want to come over to Maxbounty, and the way this works is you'd come over here, you'd click on search campaigns. It will take you over to this page over here, and you want to click onto search options. Once you click onto search options, it's going to give you all these options over here, and you want to remove everything other than social media, guys. As you can see here, you've got a social media option, and that's the only one that you want to leave active. You remove everything else, okay? And another thing that I like to do is you want to come over here and you want to click onto this, and you just want to click onto the United States of America. And the reason for that is the United States of America is the country that's used YouTube the most out of any other country. And if you're looking to get the best offer and you want to make the most money on YouTube, that's the country that you're going to use. But sometimes you're going to see that even though you select the United States, it'll be grouped with other countries as well, like United Kingdom, New Zealand, Australia, and a whole range of other countries as well. And then you just want to click onto search. And once you click onto search, it's going to bring up all different CPA offers, guys. And when you scroll down, you can have a look for all these different types of offers. Now, before you do that, if you have a specific niche, then what you can do is you can come over here and you can type things like fishing, cooking, pets, astrology, all different fitness, health, etc. You can type a whole range of different things in there. And if you were to type in fitness, for example, if you come over here and hit fitness, it's going to give you all these metrics that you've selected over here, plus it's going to give you every offer that they have in fitness. Now what you want to do is you want to come over here and you want to click onto CPA rate. And the reason why I say you need to click onto CPA rate is it's going to put that in order of lowest to highest. So you keep clicking on that until you get the lowest to highest CPA rate. And when you have a look at that, you're going to see here that they've got different CPA types. And if you have a look over here, I'll show you what that is over here. You've got dollars per lead or dollars per sale. Now, what you potentially want to look at when you're starting out is you may want to look at something like dollars per lead. So if we click onto that, what that means is that anybody that signs up to a fitness offer per lead means that they don't need to buy anything. As long as they enter their details into this offer, you're going to get paid. And this is one of the easiest ways to monetize your YouTube videos. So when you go over to here, you click onto search. What we're going to do is we're going to scroll down. We're going to see what we're left with. So let me just lower this CPA rate. So we've got the lowest amount first. Now, if we have over here, it says win a Fitbit email submit. So if we click onto this, let's just have a look at this. And we're going to see what this offer is. So as you can see here, you've got social media active and you've got email active, which is okay. So when you have a look at this, it says email submit. So $2.40 per lead. So when you come over here, it says this campaign does not have any daily cap, which is awesome. So if you get 100 leads per day, that could be $240 depending on how much traffic you have. So what you want to do, you can come down here and you can have a look at the default landing page. So you click onto this, and this is what the people are going to see once they click onto this particular offer. Now, once you come over to here, it says take our survey and get a Fitbit. So basically what they will do is I'd come over to here, you would enter your email address in, you'd put your details in here, you'd click onto submit, and then what happens is every single person that does this and completes this action, you're going to get paid. So what you want to do is you want to come over to here and you want to read all the information that it gives you over here to make sure that you comply with this offer. Sometimes it's going to tell you that you can't use these types of words. So if you're promoting this on your YouTube channel, you can't use the words free. You can't say get free $2.40 or something, or get a free Fitbit, or get a free. You've got to comply with the terms that they're using over here. And you need to follow this to the T, okay? So what you would do is you'd go over here and you need to get yourself a tracking link. And the way you do that is you'd come over to here, you'd click onto build tracking link. Now, once you click onto build tracking link, basically you just want to click onto social over here and then go down and click onto raw link. And this is the link that you're going to use to promote this offer. So you can just quite simply click onto copy. Now, as you can see, this is a big link, okay guys, this is a massive link, so you can look to shorten this link. So in order to shorten this link, what you can do is you can just come over to a site like Bitly, for example. You can sign up so you can track exactly how much clicks you're getting, etc. But if you don't want to sign up, you don't have to. You can just come over to here, copy and paste this and click on to shorten. And that's going to give you a nice little simple link that you can use instead of that massive link. And this is the link that you would put in the description of your video. So if you've got a fitness channel and you're looking to get quick, easy sales before you get your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours, and you want to monetize your YouTube videos so that you can make money on YouTube from the get-go, this is a fantastic way to do this, guys. So you shorten that link. Then what you will do when you're on any one of your YouTube videos, guys, if you click onto, say, let's have a look at one of my videos over here. So I'm just going to pause this very quickly. Let me pause this. I'm just going to pause that so we don't play that. And if we scroll down here and we have a look at my description over here, you're going to see that I as well have affiliate links in my description over here. And this is where you would place your link, and you can have a call to action. So the next fitness video that you make, or the next cooking video, or the next health and or fishing video, whatever it might be that you have, you can quite simply say, just go down and check out this link. You can go into a draw to get a Fitbit. Well, whatever you do, do not, and I mean do not say the word free, because that is definitely one of the conditions to this offer, okay guys? And it's an awesome way to get quick sales, $2.40. It may not seem like a lot, but when you're starting out on YouTube, guys, and when you're looking to monetize and when you're looking to make money, these very quickly add up. And when you get 100 to 200 views on a video as you're starting out, 300 views, 500 views, when you're giving away something like this, a simple survey can get somebody a Fitbit, then you can obviously make some good money online. Now, this is not the only opportunity that you have. If you come back over to Maxbounty, you can have a look that there's a whole range of different things that people can win. They've got massage belts and all this other different type of stuff. Now, if you go to the most expensive type of stuff, okay guys, if people sign up and purchase, you can also do things to make a sale. You can also monetize your YouTube videos like that, and you stand to make really good money online. Now, the other option that you have as well, guys, if you want to learn how to do this and how to make really good money utilizing affiliate marketing with your YouTube channel, guys, then I suggest that you go down, and I'm going to do exactly what I just told you guys to do, is go down, click onto the first link in the description of my video. So when you come down here, you're going to see that I have an option for yourselves to grow your YouTube channel a lot faster. So if you come over here, if you click onto this link, it's going to take you over to this offer, guys. This guy is a genius and teaches you how to do affiliate marketing with your YouTube channel, guys, how to monetize and how to set yourself up for growth, okay? And when I say growth, I'm talking about not only growing your YouTube channel, I'm also talking about how you're going to be promoting affiliate offers. So click on that link, guys. Check this out. It's an awesome way for yourself to make really good money and a fantastic way of how to monetize your YouTube channel, guys, and more importantly, how to monetize your individual videos before you get your 4,000 hours and your 1,000 subscribers, okay, guys? So definitely check this out. It's an awesome way for yourselves to get started. Otherwise, jump onto Maxbounty, guys, sign up and apply, and then you will get a phone call from someone who's going to double check your application. And if all that fails, in the meantime, what you can do is go to afpaying.com over here and sign up to AFPaying, different offers over here, and you can do exactly the same, guys, because the key is what you want to do is you want to start monetizing your YouTube channel. Guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video today. I wanted to make a simple way that you can start making money on YouTube as you're starting out, as it's really important, guys. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you smash that like button, guys, and go down the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I'll have a couple of videos that are going to pop up here of different ways that you can grow your YouTube channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. Until next time, you guys take care and goodbye.